Hello students. In this video we are going to discuss the poetic form of elegy. Elegy is generally defined as a song of lament, a song of sadness written in first person to express grief or death of the subject who could be perhaps a friend, a relative, a loved one who had been very close to the poet. And sometimes it's just not a person but the death of the way of a life that is mourned about in the poem. Dealing with the subject of death, an elegy is therefore melancholic in tone and philosophical in nature. Uh, an elegy is not simply a lament, but it is also a reflection upon metaphysical questions such as the meaning of life and death, fate and destiny, time and justice, beauty and love, and so on. Though there have been many different kinds of elegies written by various writers, still we can discern a particular kind of development of thought process. So, here you can see roughly what is the structure of elegy. An elegy generally begins with grief, an outpour of immense sadness over the death of the subject, which is followed by the praise of the dead. The poet contemplates upon the importance that the deceased held in his life and also for the society in general, leading him to an exploration of philosophical questions regarding life and death. Elegy generally ends with a consolation wherein the speaker finally accepts the irreversible nature of his loss, finding solace in the fact that perhaps the deceased is in a better place which is more suited for his or her beauty. One of the earliest forms of elegies was pastoral elegy. Elegy, it dwells upon the combined theme of death and sublime country life. The speaker in such poems is a shepherd who expresses his grief, blending it with rustic components. Um, John Milton's poem Lycidas is generally regarded as the greatest example of pastoral elegy in English literature. Some of the examples of elegies are Elegy written in a country churchyard by Thomas Gray in 1750. Oh Captain, My Captain, it was written by the American poet Walt Whitman in 1891 in the memory of American President Abraham Lincoln. Tennyson's In Memoriam was written in 1850 and it was written over the death of his close friend Arthur Henry Hallam. In memory of W.B. Yeats, it was written by W.H. Auden. So these are some of the examples of the best elegies in English language. Then coming to the kinds of elegies, there are two kinds of elegies, personal elegy and impersonal elegy. So personal elegy, as the name suggests, it mourns the death of some close friend or relative. And impersonal elegy, it laments some aspect of contemporary life and is therefore more philosophical. An example of personal elegy is Rugby Chapel, and an example of impersonal elegy is Gray's Elegy written in a country churchyard. So I hope you got an overview about what is an elegy and what are the different kinds of elegies. So hoping to see you soon in another video. Have a good day.